How much food can you preserve in a month? Turns out it's quite a bit. Let's talk about all of it today. Welcome to Grow and Preserve. I'm Carter and I'm glad you're here. Let's go through this. I'm going to start with the frozen items so I can get those back in the freezer. I have 5 packages of potatoes O'Brien. I followed Rachel's recipe from that 1870s homestead. So that's potatoes, onions, and sweet and hot peppers. So I have 5 packages. That's a meal each for the 2 of us. I have a year's worth of pesto. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 21. We've had a little bit. So 21 packages of pesto. These I keep in the freezer. Let's go on into the refrigerated items and then we'll get back to the shelf stable items. So I fermented some pickles. I don't think I did this on camera, but I actually have 2 of these. We've already started on 1. So that's a ½ gallon. I did some refrigerator pickles. So these are fermented in a saltwater brine. These are quick pickles in a water and vinegar brine. And we made some Tabasco sauce. All right, I'm gonna get the refrigerated items put away and we'll cover the rest as soon as I get back. So the very last item I did is jerky. I still have probably another 1 bag of it still in the dehydrator. It was a little bit thicker, so that'll be good. I'll have 3 bags in the freezer, 1 bag in the refrigerator. Over here, I have crushed tomatoes. I have 11 pints of crushed tomatoes for the shelf. Thrilled to have these because, as you probably know, it looks like tomato shortages this year. Peach preserves. I have 8 half pints of peach preserves. These things are so delicious. I'm probably going to end up parting with some of these as some Christmas gifts. Peach salsa. I have 7 half pints of peach salsa. Also delicious. Tacos, burritos, taco salad, whatever, delicious. Next is the roasted salsa. I have remaining 15 half pints of this. This was really easy. If you haven't seen this video, definitely go back and take a look. It was the regular Ball Canning Book zesty salsa recipe, only I roasted the vegetables and then blended them. It took so much less time. That one is worth a shot for sure. I have it in both size or both shapes of jars. Then I have 5 pints of stew meat. So I use this to make a very quick dinner, quick lunch. I actually throw it in my eggs in the morning. It's delicious, so I always have some of that on the shelf. I have 5 half pints of chicken. This is great for an easy little lunch. If my husband's golfing or whatever, I can make myself some chicken salad. Piece of cake. Then the original zesty salsa recipe. I have 16 half pints of these. I think I've given away 4 so far. My husband has eaten 1. But these are fantastic. Took a lot of time, lots of time to do all the chopping, but delicious. This is more of a fresh flavor, whereas the other one is more of a cooked flavor. Then I have 7 1.5 pint jars of dry canned potatoes. If you haven't seen this video, you should go back and watch it. It's not an approved canning recipe, so you'll have to make up your mind if you want to try it or not, but these are delicious, and I showed you in that video how I use them. Fantastic. Okay, I did 3 pints of garlic dill pickles. This was my first time using the Ms. Wages Pickle Crisp, so I'm excited to try those. Hot sauce. I did 5 of what I called the hotter sauce and 3 the regular hot sauce. So this was with the green peppers, this was with the red peppers. You don't want to mix the 2 or you get a brown hot sauce. Not good. Peach chutney. Oh my goodness. Have you tried chutney before? Chutney is delicious. It's sweet and it's hot and it's spicy and it's fantastic on meat or cheese and crackers. I love to put this on a board when we're entertaining. I love it. I love it on pork tenderloin or grilled chicken. Fantastic. You should give that a shot. Peach chutney. And you can make chutneys out of all kinds of things. I have mango and cherry and pineapple. I have all kinds of chutneys, so we'll do some more of those. Bruschetta topping. This is delicious. This is really good. Now I serve this on a like an appetizer board when I have guests. Okay, dried. I have a 1.5 quart of dried cherry tomatoes so far. I love these. I throw them on pizza, salads, pretty much anything. This is all that's left of my dried watermelon and cantaloupe. You can see a tiny little bit of cantaloupe down there at the bottom. We ate the rest. This is delicious. So I have not sealed this yet. I will seal this and put it away, and then I'll bring it out this winter. And then herbs. These are onion tops. I have like nine different types of herbs. That's not very much, but that's dill. I have basil, thyme, mint, sage, oregano, chives, whatever that first one is, cilantro. So I have a good start there. I still have more herbs in my garden, so I'll be doing more of that. Seed saving. I started this. So I have, I don't know, 17, I think, was the number. I counted 17 packs of seed saving items. So hot cherry peppers, black cherry tomatoes, Jimmy Nardello peppers. I have saved all of these for next year. You know, we hear there might be a seed shortage. So at least I have some of my favorites. I have not yet done the Roma tomatoes, so I definitely need to do that. And what else have I not done? I think I have not saved the seeds from my butternut squash. So I'll be doing that as well whenever it's ready. So that's it. What a fantastic month this has been. I cannot believe I got all of this done. I want to send a big shout out and thank you to Jessica of Three Rivers Homestead and to all of you who participated. I've had such a good time watching the videos. So I hope that you're encouraged. I'm certainly encouraged by how much I can get done. It was a lot. It was a lot of work. I will tell you that. But oh my gosh, look at what I have. So I think it's fantastic. I hope that your preservation month was also fantastic. And I look forward to seeing what you've done. Tell me down below what you got preserved this month, what you're gonna get preserved next month. I did a harvest yesterday, and I have 3 large buckets of things that I need to preserve in the next week or so. So we will be doing those together as well. I'm looking forward to that. I have a bunch of green tomatoes because I pulled out my first batch of Roma tomatoes. So we're gonna figure that out. Probably a green tomato chutney and I don't know, some kind of salsa, maybe. We'll see. If you have any great ideas on how to use green tomatoes, please let me know. Even though I'm Southern, I'm not big on fried green tomatoes. So we'll can something, turn it into some type of condiment. I think that there's a mustard sauce out there maybe, so that might be good as well. Thank you so much for being with me throughout the month. I hope you'll go back and take a look at some of the videos that you missed. I hope you'll go back and look at everyone else's videos as well. It's been a really good group, and I found some great ideas on things that I need to be doing and adding to my list for the next month or two. So I'm going to send you to the Every Bit Counts Challenge playlist that I've put together, and that will show you all the videos for all these things that we have done together. So enjoy. Bye-bye.